Boise Public Library is putting a focus on Boise's mental health. A month ago, it hired a full-time mental health coordinator, and now they plan to bring that resource to all library branches. News Channel 7's newest reporter, Abby Davis, joins us now with more on this pretty new program. Abby, welcome.
Thanks, Doug. Social worker Ashley Hammond is that mental health coordinator. She told me the library created this position after repeatedly seeing people come in with questions library staff just didn't feel they could answer. Hammond's main role is connecting people with different resources around town depending on their needs. She says having a social worker in the library is only natural since some people consider the library a refuge.
I see my role in that as, if people are wanting to seek services here, then being able to do that in a way that is in a neutral setting, that doesn't have the stigma that may be associated with, going to like a mental health facility.
Hammond says she's already helped people navigate some of those services like Medicaid benefits, and even though she works out of the downtown Boise branch, the library is adjusting her schedule so she can help people at other branches as well. Boise Public Library is not the only library in the area to implement similar programs. The Caldwell Public Library recently worked with students from Boise State University to help connect people with social services as well. So Doug and Morgan, it sounds like this might catch on around the state and serve as a model for other libraries.
Well, it is something certainly new.
Yeah.
I haven't heard of the type of thing before. And
no, I think
speaking of new,
yes,
that is you, Abby. So we want to get to know you just a little bit. And today, your first day on the air. You were here last week, of course, but how does it feel to be part of the team now?
It's great. Well, I've wanted to be a journalist since I was a freshman in high school. Recent WSU grad, Washington State University. So go Cougs. And, this is all I've ever really wanted to do. So super thrilled to be here.
Well, Abby, you are going to crush it here. You're going to thrive. I know you have some ties to Idaho. You have family here. You've come here in the past, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Visited here many times, and it's great. So I'm excited to explore.
And we talked about this previously, but what do you think you're most interested in? What stories do you feel like people should reach out to you for, and how can they get a hold of you?
Yeah, I love human interest stories, love interesting features on people. So if you have a cool story to tell, you can reach me at Abby Davis, KTVB. That's my Twitter handle, and then also adavis@ktvb.com. So please reach out.
On the email, Abby, It is great to have you as part of the team. Welcome.
Thank you very much.